Anders, smart deploy. Minimize risks through automatically only deploying what needs to be deployed instead of everything over and over again. How do you do this magic?
So it's really, it's not magic. It's just hard work. But
Okay.
let's be upfront about that. Smart deploy is really it's functionality in electric flow that it takes advantage of the fact that we have an inventory of what's been deployed into your environments. And so if you're doing say a redeploy of an application, we know what's already out there, and we can minimize the amount of work that's necessary. And that's good from lots of perspectives. And one of the first perspectives or use cases, I should say, that really brought this about was when we're dealing with customers in very regulated environments, finance, for example, they may have very small windows, a couple of hours at night, after or between trading hours, where they are forced to touch sometimes thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of systems. And so being able to use a functionality like Smart Deploy that maybe all you're doing is rolling out to an extra 1,000 systems to increase capacity. You don't have to touch the other 4,000 that you already rolled out. We're able to skip those and focus just on the things that need to be touched instead of touching everything that's already working and running fine. And it's an approach that works pretty well too in terms of if you think about environments as being largely immutable.
Right.
You don't really want to go out and touch something again
Right.
once you've set it up. You'd rather throw it away and start over.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit of the immutable environments kind of thing, and it's also minimize the amount of work if we know we don't need to do it, so that you get done more quickly and you minimize the risk of something going wrong.
Yeah.
Somebody could trip over a network cable, right? You never know. So
it's just a more granular approach, and a fewer things you touch, the quicker you go, and the less you can break, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Very true.
Thank you, Anders, for this explanation. Very interesting. And this was another episode of EMA Cloud Rants.